Hello everybody, Chris F.V. Jackson here. I just wanted to go through this JPL, CIT, NASA discussion about the first interstellar asteroid that wows scientists. I did this on my laptop a few weeks ago and I wasn't quite happy with it, so I thought I'd just go through it again. So I'm going to play this on, and this time hopefully you'll be able to hear what they're saying. Asteroid. Bit louder, hang on a sec. Turn that down slightly. I mean, first of all, let's just go back to that picture. Now, it's out of focus. There's something there in the background. It looks, to all intents and purposes, microscopic, doesn't it? It looks like something you could be looking at a shard of metal through a microscope, really, on a sort of, I don't know, some sort of background or something with a light in the distance there. But, yeah, let's just play this on and see what this chap says.
It was a special day when this object was first discovered. We have been waiting for the discovery of an interstellar object for...
Right, get that? They've been waiting for it. They've been waiting for an interstellar object. There you go.
Decades, basically.
Oh, when I first heard about this interstellar object, it was very exciting just from a scientific point of view that finally there's been an actual observation of such an object.
This object is simply a piece of another solar system.
Simply a piece of another solar system. Okay.
That was expelled, and
it was expelled. Why was it expelled? Why didn't it continue its orbit around something? Why was it expelled?
Has been traveling through interstellar space for hundreds of millions of years, billions of years, we don't know.
No, you don't know. It's correct. You don't know. Now here comes Mr. Lindley Johnson,
survey projects and other
Planetary Defense Officer of NASA. Wow, he looks cool.
Observatories immediately turned their telescopes to take observations of this object.
Has an unusual shape.
From the observations we have so far,
Observations I have is that this is a nice cartoon.
Looks like it's a very elongated object.
Looks like it's a very elongated object. Looks like it is.
Maybe about a quarter mile in length.
Maybe.
We think this object, 2017 U1, is very long, perhaps 400 meters or so long, and very narrow, skinny. Perhaps maybe 40 meters or so in the other dimensions. That's a very unusual shape. We don't see that in our solar system. None of the asteroids in our solar system look like that. So it's very puzzling how it could have obtained this shape.
Very puzzling how it could have attained this shape. Maybe it was knocked off of something else. Yeah? Perhaps.
We also see that it's very reddish in color, which indicates that it's been possibly in space a long time.
What, the same time as Mars, perhaps? You know, since the beginning of the universe? You know, Mars is red. Would you say that's irradiated? Or is it the colour of the geological formation that you say it is? Well, you know.
And irradiated by not only the light from our sun, but other suns as well.
Oh, listen to this. Listen to this. Not only our sun, but other suns. The plural, not the singular, the plural. Other suns. Yes, on its interstellar journey. Great stuff, Mr. Lindley Johnson.
Well, there's still quite a bit to learn about this interstellar object and
yeah, like actually, if it's there, right?
in limited time because it's on its way out of the solar system.
It's fading very fast. It's a relatively small object, so it's very dim. But we are continuing to try.
Very dim, like everybody that believes this.
I use NASA assets like the Hubble Space Telescope. And
now the NASA Space Telescope, let's it doesn't take pictures, does it? It records light. So how could it have seen this object speeding through interstellar space and into our solar system? How could you track it with Hubble? You'd have to move Hubble in real time if this thing is moving that fast. My understanding is that Hubble captures light, and that's converted into data back on the ground. And then you add colour. So you chose red.
And Spitzer
Spitzer
take,
too.
Observations to determine more about its size and composition.
Okay, poses no risk. Perhaps to our own insanity, perhaps. Arriving first, yes.
NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office has a near-Earth object observations program which funds efforts that survey the skies to look for near-Earth asteroids and to
And all its other efforts, perhaps?
calculate their orbits and their trajectories and to determine if any of them might pose a hazard to Earth.
That's the big picture, isn't it? Just to keep your program alive. Just to say, yes, here we are looking, and here's this strange object in the sky, or in our solar system that has come from an interstellar space. But don't worry, everybody, it's going away.
And as part of doing that, some amazing discoveries can happen.
Can
and
happen.
The discovery of this interstellar object is one of them.
Yes, it has.
As our observational capabilities improve, Pan-STARRS has been getting better, other surveys have been
Other, spit it out, man. Spit them out.
getting better.
Getting
There
better.
are new generation surveys that will come online.
More money, folks. More money. Gonna come online, yeah. We'll be seeing a lot more oblong shapes, perhaps other shapes too.
We will be detecting more of these in the future.
There you are. He said we will be detecting more of these in the future. We will be. He's assured us that he will be. Yes. Well, isn't that good? Well, I just thought I'd get this one done again. Thanks for watching.